Welcome back to my channel. Bliss Mobil is a name that resonates with adventure, freedom, and uncompromised comfort. For overlanders and explorers who refuse to settle for ordinary travel, Bliss Mobil offers a unique and robust solution: self-sufficient expedition vehicles built with military-grade durability and luxury-level interiors. These mobile living units are engineered to conquer the most extreme terrains while ensuring a homely and comfortable living experience anywhere on the planet. The concept behind Bliss Mobil is centered around independence and flexibility. Unlike conventional RVs or motorhomes, Bliss Mobil units are designed as detachable, standardized living capsules that can be mounted on various truck chassis. This modularity is a game changer. Whether mounted on a MAN, Mercedes-Benz, Iveco, or even an American-style pickup, the Bliss Mobil unit transforms a heavy-duty truck into a go-anywhere, live-anywhere vehicle. One of the most remarkable features of Bliss Mobil units is their self-sufficiency. These units are designed for long-term travel off the grid. Solar power systems, large fresh and gray water tanks, diesel-powered central heating, and high-end lithium battery systems allow users to live comfortably for weeks or even months without needing to connect to external utilities. The walls are built with a high-performance composite material, offering excellent insulation and strength while keeping the weight manageable. It's not just about being mobile, it's about being truly independent. The interior of a Bliss Mobil unit feels like stepping into a luxury yacht or a modern tiny home. Every inch is crafted with precision and practicality. High-quality materials, smart storage solutions, and efficient space utilization turn what might seem like a small box into a spacious living environment. The floor plans vary by size, from 11-foot units to 20-foot models, each designed with ergonomic and functional considerations in mind. A typical layout includes a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping area, bathroom with shower and toilet, and a dinette that doubles as a workspace or additional sleeping area. Many units also offer optional add-ons like a washing machine, air conditioning, satellite internet, and even an integrated garage for motorcycles or bicycles. But what truly sets Bliss Mobil apart is the engineering philosophy. These units are not just luxury boxes slapped onto a truck. Every detail is designed to handle the rigors of global overlanding. From reinforced mounting systems to vibration-dampening components and rugged outer shells, Bliss Mobil ensures that the unit can withstand harsh conditions like extreme heat, sub-zero temperatures, high humidity, and rough off-road tracks. It's not uncommon to see Bliss Mobil units being used in Siberia, the Australian outback, African savannas, or the icy roads of Iceland. Another major appeal of Bliss Mobil units is their ability to support long-term travel with minimal maintenance. The systems are built with redundancy and resilience in mind. For example, the power system often includes solar panels, alternator charging, shore power capability, and a battery management system to balance and optimize usage. The plumbing and heating systems use marine-grade materials, and water filtration ensures access to clean drinking water from almost any source. In essence, the unit is like a high-tech, off-grid apartment that just happens to be bolted onto a powerful 4x4 or 6x6 vehicle. For digital nomads and remote workers, Bliss Mobil is a dream come true. Imagine waking up in the mountains of Patagonia, checking your emails with satellite internet, then taking a break to hike or photograph the surrounding landscapes. These units make that lifestyle possible, blending connectivity with isolation, adventure with productivity. They also cater to families who want to travel together in safety and comfort, offering multi-bed configurations and child-friendly designs. The customization options are another huge advantage. Bliss Mobil works closely with clients to tailor the unit to their specific needs. Whether you're planning a year-long tour across continents, an Arctic expedition, or an extended stay in remote regions, the unit can be outfitted accordingly. This might include reinforced insulation, additional solar capacity, larger battery banks, winches, or even air filtration systems. Safety is a core value in Bliss Mobil's design. Fire suppression systems, escape hatches, security locks, GPS tracking, and real-time system monitoring all add layers of safety and peace of mind. It's clear that the company does not treat these vehicles as simple campers. They are mission-capable mobile living environments that can be deployed in the toughest conditions. One of the lesser talked about aspects of Bliss Mobil is its contribution to sustainable travel. By allowing travelers to live off-grid, avoid hotels, reduce reliance on disposable goods, and use renewable energy sources. These vehicles reduce the overall carbon footprint of long-distance travel. Solar energy powers lighting, cooking, and even entertainment systems, while wastewater systems and onboard composting help minimize environmental impact. Many adventurers and influencers who use Bliss Mobil units document their travels online, showcasing how these vehicles open up the world in ways few other platforms can. You'll find Bliss Mobil rigs parked beside glaciers, deep in the desert, or next to remote alpine lakes, always with breathtaking backdrops and smiling explorers living their dream. These stories are testaments to the transformative power of such a vehicle, not just in where it can go, but in how it changes the mindset of those who use it. Of course, all this engineering and craftsmanship comes at a price. Bliss Mobil units are premium products, and the cost reflects their capabilities. However, for many users, this is not an expense but an investment. An investment in freedom, resilience, safety, and lifelong memories. When compared to the cost of international travel, accommodation, and logistics over years, owning a Bliss Mobil often turns out to be more economical than expected. In summary, Bliss Mobil is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle solution. For those who refuse to be bound by borders, cities, or fixed schedules, it offers a platform to live on your own terms, safely, comfortably, and sustainably. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a couple seeking the ultimate getaway, or a family ready to write your own epic story, Bliss Mobil is the tool that makes the dream real. It's not just about getting off the grid, it's about rethinking what life on the road can truly be.